See how it goes in there.
Beef it. All right, beef
Damn!
it. Red Sea Boys United.
Dude, there it is. Buckle that girl in. For people that don't know,
Cart Demons, at Cart Demons on everything. Got the brand new cart ready to rip.
you came here from Tampa to pick it up.
Yeah.
Oh, Tom Tom's here too.
Oh, Cart Demons is an affiliate for Taxi Garage, and he has built this crazy cart with the help of all you fans and all the people supporting us by
Buying carts,
shredding
buying
carts, just like ours. So send it with us and Cart Demons, and come and ride with the fam.
The brakes.
First thoughts on the 11, what do you think?
Oh, dude, it's crazy. It's so responsive, and I just feel so comfortable. It's crazy.
We fumbled.
We definitely fumbled. I ended up tapping him, and then I throttled into him, and then I was like, I'm going so fast.
I looked back and I was like, what?
My foot was off too because I was like, I'm going way too fast. Nick's got it on film. I definitely was just all over the place.
I was gonna rail that garbage can. I was about to check out.
Yeah, there's something up with that gear. It's got like a
Twang.
kink on the side of it. We
And
need
there's
to...
something up with the backy because he flipped it.
Tom's got bars over there.
All right, let me lead.
concludes the Kart Demons 4-point, actually stage 5 rebuild, right? So this was a used chassis. Ryan went through, did all of the stage 5 stuff, and then it's 1100 watt, 48 volt with brakes.
Yeah, no, I welded on the stage 5 gussets, and we made a very special stage 5 gusset to commemorate our affiliation with Kart Demons. And we have his Instagram handle here with his logo built into it with the demon tail and the spikes on the O. A used chassis, but of course we made it a little better before we welded all the stage 5 gussets to it. Just a little bit of body work, as they'd say, you know, but gotta help the homies out.
Yeah, it's a flat pink, so the one thing that we usually try to at least steer our clients is that flat colors will hold dirt. Now Ashton doesn't care because that's his theme. It will hold dirt.
Dirt!
So just with the flatness of the powder coat, it attracts the dirt and holds onto it. So we normally recommend at least a matte, if not a clear color finishing instead of the flat. But anyway, it turned out sick and we can't wait to see him make content. Yeah, Prismatic has over 5,500 different colors and hues on their website. We are slowly chipping away at doing every one of their colors on a cart, and then you can see those direct examples on their website through all their gallery. That's going to be the end of this video. We appreciate you guys again. We are at 102-ish thousand now. That means you guys are clicking the subscribe button and supporting us.
How do you feel about crazy karting? Do you love it or do you hate it?
I love it.
He
I
is.
love crazy karting. Do it now!